Good morning. Welcome to Super Blast Pressure Washing. It is Tuesday. We're going to be running two machines at once. And we're going to be running 1/2-inch hose. And we're going to be running the 49-inch monster Mondo today to get this big driveway done. The water pressure is not really good, so I came with a full tank. We'll see how much we can bang out. I want to get the bulk of this done with the big machine. Then we might have to break out the mini Mondo and finish that up. All right, but how you do this is you jump out of here with one line, and then you're ready to go. So I have my valve set, so I can just go ahead and crank over. Now everything's going to come out of here 1/2-inch, and everything's 1/2-inch. It runs back to the back to the 3/8 unloaders that I use every day for my regular washing and all that other stuff. Now we're going to run 21 gallons a minute. It's as simple as that. You hook it up and you get after it. All right, want to see some amazement? Here we go. Here we go. Tell you what, that's a lot of area in a short period of time, don't you think? That's what I call getting after it, baby. Okay, we are down to 50 gallons. Time to shut her down. That really chewed that up though, huh? Got all the way around to there, 2 passes there up to the van. So it won't take long. We'll let it fill back up and we should be able to bang the rest of this out after with another full tank. I'm gonna run another hose over to this other spigot, see if that helps out any. But we'll see. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look at that. Look at how nasty that is. Oh wow, look how nice that is, huh? All right, we're also going to do some rust treatment today. Got it all on this air conditioner right here, along with some green algae you can see in the tint there. Got the young man's fence over there, and we got some stuff like this. There's a corner of it over there. You can probably see that from here. And we got some here and there. We'll see. We'll hit whatever we got. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. That tank's almost full. I found a really good water source here, so we should be able to bang the rest of this out without running out of water. All right, let's get after it.
Jude, don't let me down. You have found her. Now go and get her. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start.
Okay, we got it all washed and post-treated there. Everything's done. And now we're going to pull the van back up a little bit so we can line the hose to go through the garage into the pool cage. And we also got to get the sidewalk that goes around to the front of the house. So we're going to pull the van up, finish the bottom of the driveway, rinse it off, post-treat it, put that big monster away, get the hoses all changed out of there. I got to change my hose reels today as well. Move that 3/8 back to the fixed hose reel. Then we'll be back in business. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and that's how you get after it. All right, let's have a look. Look how nice it looks. Beautiful. Let's get hit that rust on the edge, and there's rust over there. At the end, we're going to go in the pool cage right now. Let's take a walk in here and check it out. One of my bigger pool cages that I do. It's been 2 years since we've been out here. So we'll set this over here in the corner. As you can see, there's algae all over this sucker. We'll get it all cleaned up for the people. Great customer. Had this customer for quite some time now. Get this out of the way. And get this cleaned up here too. Right where that was sitting is a mess. So we'll set it up here like this. First thing we're going to do is get the cage SH down real good, and we'll rinse it off. You know the drill. Let's get after it.
Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her under your skin. Then you begin to make it better.
All right, there you have it. The whole place is nuked from top to bottom. Every bit of that algae is all gone. Now what do we have left, folks? We have the satisfying rinse. Let's get after it.
I tell you to enjoy life. I wish that I could, but it's too late. All day long I think of things, but nothing seems to satisfy. Think I lost, say my mind if I don't find something to pacify.
going to be a wrap. Look how nice the driveway is. Came out beautiful. Let's go look at this pool cage. He has a big drainage problem back here, so he said not to worry about it. So I'm not going to worry about it. But I got a lot of it out. Look how nice it looks. Beautiful. All the algae's gone. Summer's here and I got a nice clean pool. Now we're going to mix up some pink power and we're going to do some rust stuff. We'll be right back to show you the magic. You can see the rust over there and over there, and there's some back here on the guy's fence. So we're going to finish the job up by doing the right thing and getting rid of that rust. We'll be back. All right, we just want to hit this fence real quick. What you can see from the road. This is some strong stuff right here. I didn't mix up too strong of a batch. But you'll see this stuff disappear right quickly. You can get this at Ameritech, Pink Power. We'll be right back. I don't see any rust on that fence anymore, do you? It was an eyesore from the road. This job came out marvelous. Guy just came out, shook my hand, told me excellent job as always. And we'll be back next time. I'm Don from Super Blast. Remember, always get after it. We'll see you tomorrow.